Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you 3 apps I'm using to invest and grow my money sustainably this year for maximum return. I've used one of them before and got great results. So I want to share my experience with you guys and invest additional $1,000 to see what will give me in 30 days. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. But first, let me make it clear, this is not a financial advice. You should ultimately consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. I use the word sustainably because of these 2 men, Warren Buffett and Jay Walker. Warren Buffett is known as the most successful investor of all time. He's been in the top 10 richest people in the world for decades, but it took him 46 years to become a billionaire. On the other hand, Jay Walker became a billionaire in under 1 year when he launched his product, Priceline, in 1998. But by 2003, his net worth went down to $300 million. The point is, short-term gain can be great, but they are not sustainable. That's why I believe in long-term value investing like Warren Buffett. The question here is, have you started investing? If not, what is holding you back? You can start investing with as little as 1,000 Naira or $1. The goal is to be consistent and do it over time, that the money you generate from the passive income of your investments exceeds your active income or the money you earn from your salary. The first app I will be using is Bamboo. Remember, I will be investing $1,000 in app number 3 to see the return in 30 days. Now, Bamboo allows you to invest in the stock market from Nigeria. You can invest in Naira, you can invest in dollars. You can invest in dividend stocks and non-dividend stocks. You can invest in individual stocks or invest in ETFs, which is like a group of stock. In case you don't know the stocks to invest in, Bamboo helps you to categorize these stocks. For example, you have the fixed income ETFs, the Warren Buffett portfolio, biggest company in the world, Bill Gates top 20 stocks, and so on. So you have no excuse or barrier to entry because you can do this from the comfort of your home through your mobile app and in Naira or in dollars. This is exactly how the rich keep getting rich and sustain it. You can also use Bamboo Invest, where you invest in Bamboo directly and receive a guaranteed 8% interest per annum. This is in dollars, guys. When you refer a friend to use Bamboo, you get paid 1 to 2.5% of their deposits. The next app is PiggyVest. I know a lot of you are using PiggyVest already. PiggyVest is really straightforward. It has 4 wallets. Piggy Bank that pays interest of 10% per annum, Flex Naira that pays interest of 8% per annum, SafeLock 13% per annum, Target 9% per annum, and Flex Dollar 7% per annum. I particularly like the Flex Dollar because it allows you to save in dollars, then pays you 7% interest per annum on that, although Bamboo pays 8%, which is higher. PiggyVest also has the invest section where you can invest in companies that are trying to raise funds. The return here is as high as 36% per annum and it's paid out at the end of the investment period. I also like that you can link your PiggyVest account to your bank card and set it such that it can periodically withdraw the amount you want to save from your bank to your PiggyVest account, be it daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also make money from PiggyVest by referring your friends to use the app. When they sign up with your link, you both receive 1,000 Naira. The next app is Pillow. If you sign up to Pillow today using the word Jude as your referral code, you get 700 Naira. And when you use Pillow and invite your friends, you also get reward and they get reward as well. I will invest $1,000, which is over 750,000 Naira today in Pillow. And here's why. Pillow allows you to invest in the top cryptocurrency and earn interest on them. You can invest in USDC, USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Matic, and so on. The interest you earn when you invest in USDT and USDC is 13.68% per annum. This is higher than the 7% from PiggyVest and the 8% from Bamboo. 4 months ago, I invested 20,000 Naira in USDC in Pillow, and today it is worth 22,268 Naira. That is a 33.98 annualized return per annum, even though the interest on USDC on Pillow is 13.68% per annum. Now, this is because when I made my deposits, Naira exchange rate was 716 Naira per dollar, and today it is 757.5 Naira per dollar. Besides stablecoins like USDT and USDC, you can invest in Bitcoin at 3.08% per annum and Ethereum at 3.15% per annum. Now, you might be asking me this question here now. Why is the interest lower on BTC and Ethereum, and why should I invest in it? A lot of people believe that we have entered the beginning of the bull season, which means that within 12 months, Bitcoin could double or triple in price. And if it does so with your interest. To make it clear, let's do some maths. Let's say I bought 10,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin with 3% interest per annum on Pillow, and in a year, the price of Bitcoin doubles. My 10,000 Naira will be worth 20,000 Naira, and the 3% interest, which is 300 Naira, will also double to 600 Naira. So my investment will be worth 20,600 Naira. But before the mathematicians here crucify me, the investment will actually be worth 20,609 Naira 6 kobo, because the interest on Pillow is compounded daily. Now, the question you should think about now is, what if I have put in $1,000 into this investment? As a matter of fact, let's do it right away. So to deposit the money, go to the home page, click on, you can deposit crypto by clicking here, or you deposit Naira using bank transfer by clicking here. Now the current rate is 753.5. The maximum deposit I can do at a time is 400,000 Naira. So I'll deposit this, then I'll come and deposit the balance. So 400,000 Naira is $530. So I'll click on buy, confirm. So I'll make deposit to this account, and I'll come and click on our make payment once I've made the deposit. The account name will be my name, since this particular bank is created for me. I have made this payment. I'll go ahead and click that I have made payment. So transfer successful. Awesome. So I've deposited $530. So I'm going to make the second deposit by clicking here. I'll deposit 355,000 Naira. That will give me around 471. What I need is 470, but 471 is fine. So I'll go ahead and click on buy. Continue. So transfer is successful. So I now have $1,031 on my account. In 30 days, I will show you the results, and I will also start depositing 1,000 Naira daily for 30 days to see what will come of it. Remember in the beginning what I said? Long-term investing is better than short-term quick gain. If you want to know the effect of long-term investing and how it's going to help you become more financially independent, then watch this next video.